right, good afternoon, everyone. In exactly 1 hour and a half from now, from the time you're seeing this video, which is it will be 3:30 Ugandan time, 2:30 South African time, Israeli time is 2:30. So let me explain something here. Today we have what we call CPI on the dollar, with the things that have been going on, the drama that has been going on, and all this. We need to see today's CPI. Remember, we are getting data for last month. So we are getting information for the month of Feb. First of all, we have what we call core CPI. The previous month, it was 0.3%. They are forecasting it to be 0.2%. If the data comes out, lower than, before even I got into that, what is CPI? CPI is Consumer Price Index. I'll give you a proper example. This is whereby we are looking at the change in the prices of goods and services. Suppose last month you bought a loaf of bread at $1. If this month you buy it at $1.2, it means the prices of goods and services are increasing. If you buy this month, last month you bought it $1, this month you buy it $0.8, it means the prices are going down. So Consumer Price Index, they get the data for groceries, for the gas stations, for many different things. They look at, are the prices of goods and services increasing or the prices are going down? So it means people will be spending, if the prices are going up, it means people will be spending more money on goods and services. And when people spend more money on goods and services, what happens? It means that is inflation. Someone has been getting a certain particular amount of salary, they will need a little bit more money to sustain life, meaning they might use their credit cards. So if this data comes out higher than expected, what do we expect? We expect the dollar to gain strength. Why? Because the rise of goods and services in a country is inflation. It creates a little bit of inflation. It means creating a little bit of inflation. It means the central bank deals with that by increasing the interest rates. So if this data comes out higher than the forecast, we are going to see a strength in the dollar, meaning the dollar buying. If you are trading GBP USD, it means you are seeing it selling. If you are trading USD JPY, we are seeing it buying. If you're a trader, you understand that. And if at one point you don't understand that, it means you need training, you need to be trained how to trade, and you need the basics and the information. Then you have what we call, that was for month. So CPI for a month, that is what causes those spikes in the market, quick spikes and all that. That is the data for last month, the month of Feb. But now we have what we call CPI year after year for a year. What does it mean? It means they are going to look at last year Feb and they compare it with this year Feb. So they get the CPI for a year. This is the CPI that normally sets the trend of the market. If this data comes out higher than forecast, the forecast is 2.4. If it comes out 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 3 and above, it means the general trend of a dollar is a buy. The general picture is that the dollar is going to go up, is going to be strong. That is the trend you normally see after these news. You normally see the market correcting and then going in a one particular direction. It It is caused by CPI of a year. That is the trend setter. If that data comes out lower than forecast, 2.3, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, it means the market is going to go. The general trend of the market, the dollar is going to be weak. It means if it comes out lower, it means if you're trading USD, JPY, it means you might look at selling it. So I think I've explained that. Let's wait. In a space of 1 hour and a half, we see things that will come out. I'll make a reaction video to this. But again, I have a Telegram channel. This Telegram channel, I normally drop things. I drop the analysis. I drop the fundamentals I see in the market, what we see in the market. Right now, people are already making money. We are in profit. People are making money because I gave a trade last night. It is running so fast, so good. I think we have passed 2 hours. So with all this information, we are going to make another video reacting to what came out and what is happening in the market. Thank you.